Do you understand the word back? But do you know what right back at you really means? In today's video, I will teach you 5 common expressions with the word back. Hello everybody, it's Kasi, your English coach. In today's lesson, you'll learn 5 common expressions with the word back. I will explain each expression clearly, then I will give you some real situation so that you understand exactly how and when to use them. But before continuing the video, as always, let me remind you this. Learning a language is a journey. It takes time and effort. But if you keep practicing, I promise you, you will get better. Believe in yourself. Stay motivated and don't give up. I know you can do it. Now let's go back to the video. The first expression is right back at you. Right back at you. Right back at you is a casual and friendly expression. We often use this expression to return a compliment, a greeting, or a positive comment to someone. Instead of repeat the whole sentence, we use this expression to say, I'll feel the same about you, my friend. And this expression is very natural in conversation with friends or colleagues. Let's take this scenario. Let's say, for example, you are talking with your best friends after a long time. And maybe you help this friend in the past with something very important. And the friend look at you and say, hey man, you are such a good friend. I will always count on you. And you feel the same about your friend. You feel happy and you feel the same about your friend. But you don't want to repeat the whole sentence to express yourself. So what would you say? Instead of repeat the whole sentence, you can simply say, hey man, right back at you. Hey man, right back at you. The next expression is pay someone back. Pay someone back. Pay someone back. Pay someone back has 2 meanings. First, it means to return money that you borrow from someone. And second, it means to take revenge on someone. But in a daily English conversation, the most common expression is always about money, because it shows responsibility. You received something in the past and now you give it back. You see? Let's take this example. Let's say, for example, we are in the middle of the month and you are running out of money. So you really need money to pay your transport and your bills. Then you decide to ask your colleagues at work to borrow you some money. And the colleagues accept and borrow you the money. A few days later, you get your salary. Now you are in a financial ability to pay your colleagues back. And you say to him, hey man, guess what? I get my salary today, so I will pay you back your money. So pay someone back means to return the money that you borrow from that person. The following expression is behind someone's back. Behind someone's back. Once again, behind someone's back. Behind someone's back means to say or to do something without that person knowing it. Usually something negative. We use this expression when people talk about someone or criticize them secretly. And this expression has a negative feeling because it is about dishonesty. Let's take this example. Let's say you are working in an office with several colleagues, and everything seems normal when one colleague is in the room. But when that person leaves the room, some people will start laughing and making a negative about him. But when he will come back in the office or in the room, they will stop laughing. It means they were laughing behind his back. They were laughing behind his back. The following expression is get off someone's back. Get off someone's back. Get off someone's back means to stop criticizing, pressuring, or bothering someone. We use this expression when someone is constantly telling you what to do or complaining about what you are doing. It shows frustration. Okay, so let's take this example. Let's say, for example, at work, you are working in a new project and you are doing your best, but your manager keeps coming back, checking your work, asking questions and telling you constantly what to do. And you feel frustrated. Why? Because you need that space to be focused and to concentrate. So what would you say if you feel frustrated? You can simply say, "Hey boss, please, could you get off my back? I am doing my best. Could you get off my back? I am doing my best." And finally, to finish, the last expression is watch your back. Watch your back. So what does watch your back mean? So watch your back means to be careful or to protect yourself from a possible danger or problems. And it can be used in a physical situation, but it is also used in a social or work situation, especially when you don't truly trust people. Let's take this scenario. Let's say, for example, you get a new job in a competitive company and you notice that there are some people who are not very honest, and sometimes they try to make others look bad in order to get ahead. And someone who was working there for a long time give you this advice, and he said to you, "Hey man, you should watch your back in this office. If not, you will get in trouble." So you have to be careful, you have to protect yourself in the office. If not, you will get in trouble. You have to watch your back. So expressions like this help you to sound natural in English. And native speakers don't always use simple words to express themselves. Sometimes they use some expression to speak out their minds. Hope this lesson is helpful. If it is, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more English lessons like this. Until then, see you next time.